Okay, reconnecting the electrical to the back garage. So there needs to be a conduit box put here. This piping needs to go correctly back into the home. Over here, they'll dig down 2 feet and remove this section of concrete. Trench it from here through here under this section, and then they'll dig a 2-foot trench all the way out to the garage, and then they'll have to remove this section of concrete here, possibly this one also, and then do 2 feet trenched over here connecting in with this box. That was our advice from the electrician that Robert provided us. I think that's going to be the plan. Have Robert give me a call if you guys have any questions moving forward. I already called the locates, and hopefully work will get started on this just after Thanksgiving and be completed before the 5th. Thank you.